Hello students and welcome back to SciVerse with Adnan. Today, we're going on an incredible journey, a journey into space, where we'll explore our solar system. From the blazing sun at the center to the icy planets at the edge, every object in the solar system has a story to tell. Let's dive in. The sun is a giant ball of hot plasma and makes up 99.8% of the solar system's total mass. Without it, there would be no light, no heat, and no life on Earth. The sun produces energy through nuclear fusion, where hydrogen turns into helium, releasing enormous energy as light and heat. This energy powers life on our planet and drives the climate and weather. Closest to the sun is Mercury. It's the smallest planet, with a surface covered in craters like our moon. Since it's so close to the sun, daytime temperatures soar extremely high, but at night, they drop dramatically because Mercury has almost no atmosphere to trap heat. Next comes Venus, often called Earth's twin because of its size. But don't be fooled, Venus is covered with thick clouds of carbon dioxide, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. This makes Venus the hottest planet in the solar system, even hotter than Mercury. Third in line is our planet Earth. It's the only planet known to support life, thanks to its perfect atmosphere, liquid water, and moderate temperature. The tilt of Earth's axis gives us seasons, while its atmosphere protects us from harmful solar radiation. Earth truly is unique, our precious home in the vast universe. After Earth, we find Mars, called the red planet because of the iron oxide, rust, on its surface. Mars is a cold desert world with the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and the deepest canyon, Valles Marineris. Scientists are very interested in Mars because it may have once had water, and possibly even life. Moving outward, we meet Jupiter, the largest planet. This gas giant is so big that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Its atmosphere is full of storms, including the famous Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth. Jupiter also has dozens of moons, including Europa, which might have an ocean beneath its icy surface. Next is Saturn, famous for its spectacular rings made of ice and rock. Saturn is another gas giant, lighter than water, meaning it would float if you had a giant cosmic bathtub. Saturn's moon Titan is especially interesting because it has lakes and rivers of liquid methane. Farther out is Uranus, an ice giant. What makes Uranus unique is that it rotates on its side, almost like it's rolling around the sun. Its bluish-green color comes from methane in its atmosphere. Finally, we reach Neptune, the farthest planet from the sun. It's a deep blue ice giant with the strongest winds in the solar system, faster than the speed of sound. Neptune also has a faint ring system and a large moon called Triton, which orbits backward, a mystery for scientists. So, from the fiery sun to the icy edge of Neptune, our solar system is full of wonders. Each planet is unique, and together, they form the incredible family of worlds we call home. Thank you for watching SciVerse with Adnan. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring, and goodbye.